Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing very easy that gets done in less than 15 minutes is Paneer Bhurji. Before I start with this recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's start. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and heat oil over medium flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds and allow them to crackle. Add 1 teaspoon freshly crushed ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. Add 2 green chillies. Add chopped onions and few curry leaves and saute it for 2 minutes until it turns to transparent. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, saute it for a minute. Add chopped tomatoes. Stir and close the lid. Cook until they are soft. Add pink Himalayan salt as needed, red chilli powder, saute it for a minute. Add 2 teaspoons of water and close the lid. Cook for about 2 minutes and oil starts separating. Add grated or scrambled paneer. Add half a teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon garam masala. Mix and cook 3 minutes. Add coriander leaves and cook for a minute. Do not overcook. Paneer Bhurji is a great way to add protein to your diet. Serve Paneer Bhurji with roti or paratha or a bread toast. That's all about today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. Keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.